getting stuck in weird places. I can't. This episode. And
this is not safe.
Shit.
Zoe. Pull harder, you can do it. Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
Hey, there's an intruder. Liverpool. Ôi, bật đi.
Jesus! Oh my god, are you okay? Okay. Danica, sit. Oh, God. Night.
The king.
Man, that good look so bad. I'm gonna...
Excuse me? George!
Come here.
Hold him up.
Блядь.
It's gonna be hot.
What? What's wrong? I swear to God, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
You want potato salad? That's good potato salad.
A lizard? And then what? Oh, shit! Basta, Rogelio.
I tried to bribe him, but this cat knew what was coming and he was prepared for war.
Good cat.
He has a precisely calculated battle method. Pretend to be calm and laid back, and then take me by surprise. His name is Riesling, and he's a 2-year-old British Longhair. What is it with the British cats and their attitude? Riesling is covered in mats, which is the reason why he's here today.
Don't hiss at me.
Even though he doesn't like this, it's necessary to get done for his comfort and his health. Still, his facial expressions suggest that he would like to turn my face into his scratch post.
I'm making you feel better. It's okay. Here. It's all out.
He had some extremely bad matting behind his ears, and I was genuinely concerned that I was not going to be able to get it out. But despite his looks of death, he actually was very good for this, and I was able to relieve him from his pain. I learned pretty quickly that he's okay with anything in his front end being touched. He is just not okay with his back end being touched. And I guess I can't say I blame him.
Good cat. But I have to scrub your dirty behind.
It wasn't long before Pippi Longstocking decided to get his vengeance.
Please don't swat. I made a run for it.
Riesling was smart enough not to let me know his next move. For obvious reasons, we blow-dried him in the rage cage.
Okay, relax. You're okay. Are you peeing? Oh. What just fell on my shoe?
Poop.
Since I removed all of his matting and got him clean, I decided to end the grooming session today, because Riesling was clearly very stressed out. Now if you'll excuse me, I need a glass of wine.
No! Oh my god! Ui. Vur bak. Vur vur.
We chill, okay?
Кайф, да? All right, getting back. Getting back. Yo.
Did you just take a bitch? Oh.
What can I get for you? Can you hold the fucking light straight?
What are you doing? Oh!
I just been doing some painting and I thought, where's Sizzle? I don't know what that is. Oh my god! I caught you! Absolutely no!
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Don't break my new hairdryer. Mush! Hey!
I can't.